Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So in today's video I said I'll be doing a video in my car, so let's go. What I am building today is that I am building a secret YouTube video filming room inside of my car. Sorry for the disturbance, just 1 second. Okay, first let's turn one of the lights on because it's too dark in here. Even though I'm recording this in the middle of the day, the second light also I'll turn on. Wait a minute. Second light on. Now the car is fully illuminated, and I've left it in the door open or locked position. So I'm gonna get out of the car, show you what all things I have got up my sleeve for this video. So first thing is we need tissues because if we sweat or anything, we are gonna need tissues. And as I've told you in my previous video, it is my car's birthday, so I prepared some gifts for him. What I'm gonna do is that exactly I'll stand on top of a chair and then throw all over the car. It's just like confetti blaster, but I did not want to waste all of my savings and allowance money on a confetti, so I did this cool but very money saving method. The second thing what I'm gonna need for this video is pillows. If I want to sit comfortably in my car, why not add some pillows, right? So put that pillow back. And I also want to have a companion with me to do this video, so I'm gonna put Spidey right here. So Spider-Man, I'm filming a video and I'm making a secret video filming room inside my car. So are you ready? Yes, I am ready, Captain Aman. Alright, great Spider-Man, I'm gonna put you in the back for now. So now we'll go what all things I bought to eat. I did not want to waste my money on anything. I purchased lace and gems, only this much, because I also want to save my money in order for future things. Let's not go too much in detail. Close the cargo hold. Now let's get inside again. So now I need to talk about this car. This car is my dad's car, and I had to ask both my parents for their permission because the other day when I was playing badminton in mobile game, it's an app called online badminton something. So I was playing and an idea shook me for my next YouTube video. What should I even do? So wait a minute, I'll turn these lights off so the battery does not go too much. So now I was thinking, why not do a video inside of my car and build a secret YouTube video filming room? You see, whenever I do videos, I have behind the scene clips where family members come disturb me, something that I do not want to go too much in detail. So that's why I did the coolest idea of doing a YouTube video filming room inside of my car, because this car is very user friendly and it has all the things I've ever been wanting. So now let's go to two scenarios. Scenario 1, building in a car. Scenario 2, building in a room. So when you want to build in a room, it's obviously difficult since you need to purchase a lot of things: TV, games, speakers, etc., 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 lights, everything. But this car, it comes with half of those features. A info entertainment system in the front. You can see the speakers are here in the door, so that resolves half of my problem. And for lights, I use this cool decorative light. Since the car is a closed space and not as large as a room, I decided. And the second thing is, I mentioned about that earlier, games. Now my car also has the Play Store feature inside of it, so whenever I want to play a game, just go to Play Store, install a game, play it. So that gaming problem is also solved. Since I love games, especially aviation games, I can do anything. If I want to watch a movie, same, just turn on the infotainment system or pair my Bluetooth and just watch a movie. Why? Go to YouTube, search my favorite movie and then watch it. So now I have decorated everything before, and because I'm the only one doing this video, there is no one helping me. and I had to put the decorations beforehand because I cannot be holding the phone in one hand, putting the decorations in other. It's too difficult because I've been hanging this to all those handles, so which are grab handles. So I like this idea. So now we need to turn the lights on. So now we are going to turn the small light on first. Wait a minute. The controller for the small light. Yeah, done. So this is my first set of lights I have put. It's a color light in all the 7 color combination. Right. Now let's turn on the other series of lights. The larger one. The controller for it is right here. 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. I don't know which way is the switch. Boom! There it is. The coolest lights ever have been hanged, so now it's time to get a view. And I already also have a ball and inside of it some toys to play with. Now we need to close the door because we do not want sunshine in. And it's done. We're going to open the door as I've told you. Cars have carbon monoxide in them and we do not want to get choked. So now this is it for my video, but there is a second part coming up same on this video where I'll be uploading reaction with my family members to the room I've just built. I promise you it is gonna be very good. So now let's turn off the lights, starting with the small ones. 3, 2, 1, off. Coming to the large lights, take it off. 3, 2, 1, switched off. Okay, we're going to get out of the car, lock it, and we are going to go back home for my next video. But you can tell if you want your room to be secret, it also needs to be secret but not hidden in plain sight, just like your car. So that's why my car has this intelligent feature of tinting the windows, which I only know about because I have done a lot of research on my car and found out some very cool features which will help. First thing first, we are going to put the car's built-in lights to door open warning light mode. So take it 3, 2, 1. Alright, so everything is done. And about the AC, I forgot to mention, if you want to have a room, you need to definitely have a AC. So this car, every car comes with a built-in AC, so that problem is resolved. And of course, I have an air freshener right up here. So now I have mentioned everything and my car tells to everyone that it has been unlocked, but it also comes with a feature of not making it sound. So we are going to close it, take the key out of my pocket and lock it. 3, 2, 1. See, you can see all the lights turned off. Check all 4 doors, the cargo hold. I am pretty concerned about the safety of the car because it's brand new. So we are going to get out of here now. Coming to the next video, let's see if I've turned everything off. Yes, everything is turned off. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing the reaction of my family members. So thank you everyone for watching and I hope you enjoyed. For the next video, please stay tuned and subscribe. The video will be just after 10 minutes of uploading these videos, and bye bye.